Hello friends and welcome to my channel in Standard. Today we will learn how to build a personalized study plan with ChatGPT. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Over here you can type in the prompt. Let's assume that you're having your final exams starting in August. So you can write the prompt, create a study plan for my final exams on 30th of August 2025. Please include the revision timeline 1 week before the final exam. Also include the mock test and all the study material details. Hit enter. Now wait for a while. Okay, now they're asking for some specific questions. So what you can do is you can simply type in the subject name, let's say math, then number of chapters, let's say 5, and the area which we want to focus on is algebra. Now the daily study time, let's say 4 hours. Number 5, school. And now number 6, you can say past papers. And now hit enter. Alright, here you can see that ChatGPT has created you a 43-day plan with a daily study time of 4 hours. Now you can scroll down and check your plan, and if you want to make some changes, you can do it manually. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.